How we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheese and Moon workshop. Doing this voiceover in my car during my lunch break here. I just posted the video about the CRKT knife shown above my hands right there. This video is about cleaning up this little Italian knife. This is a decent little knife, and we're going to get her cleaned up. Typical stuff we're using here, using some Never-Dull with its little fibrous little pad there to kind of loosen things up, knock some of the heavy crud off of there, as you can see. Then we're going to hit it with some flits. Then I got a little jeweler's paste that I'm going to use on the end of it to get it shined up. But you can see there what a difference it's made. Going through this pretty high speed. It was over 19 minutes of just scrubbing it and getting it halfway tuned up. And again here, just putting little flits on there. Kind of hard to work around those little nubs sticking out there, the pins and stuff, but it's not too bad. Like I said earlier, this knife was made in Italy. It's a little lock back, kind of made to look like a capitalize on the stiletto style switchblades. I'm sure it was just some little tourist knife, but it's kind of cool. And I knew it would clean up. Having a pretty good relaxing time sitting here cleaning this thing up. Again, it was probably all in all almost an hour working on this little knife. The flits and the Never-Dull and some rim oil in my little squeeze bottle there. That's pretty typical stuff. For this polishing compound, it's some stuff I picked up at the flea market, and even after flits, it does a great job of buffing and shining even more than flits. And I tried to get some information on the ingredients and such, but he's holding it pretty tight. I don't know if it's just some car polish or whatever he sold me, but it kind of gets the job done. I still got a little bit of work to do on this knife, as you see here, but I just wanted to show that tang stamp. It's sharp, but it's just more tears than slices through. So I need to do some tuning on that blade. The lock mechanism on this, it's a little lock back type knife, but it has a little plate on the back of the spring that a nub on the top of the tang snaps into. I'll show you that in a second here. It was kind of a neat little knife when I saw it. I knew it would be a good looking knife when I got done. It was pretty funky on the inside as well. And I think we got it pretty well cleaned up. Not too bad. Still a little schmutz right at the very end there. I'll pick that out. But there you see that little lock plate on the top of there. It's a little round gizmo. Stainless, Italy. Decent little knife. I knew it would be. And there you go, cleaned up. I'm still going to hit it with a little bit of more polish, but this is pretty near the finished product. I'll show you this little lock mechanism here. It's pretty slick. It's not really a half stop. The edge of that tang sort of catches in that hole, and then it snaps and locks in. This is the release down here. And so we can get the focus here. You can see that hole on the back of that lock bar, and snap. That little nub snaps in there and locks it in place. And I tried to break it without pushing the button. It wouldn't break. It's pretty solid. Come on, focus. There we go. You can see that nub that's on the back of the tang. And it just snaps in there. Pretty slick. But there you go, guys. A little Italian tourist knife. It looks a lot better than it did when I first got it. There you go. Okay, everybody, please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and have a beautiful day.